I'm the Master Gamer, and I have a new fidget spinner. It's a metal Iron Man fidget spinner. How cool this? This is cool. How spin it? Look at his sounds. How sounds? Oh, yo. And some tricks. Too heavy. Some metal. And what is the yo? We're gonna be heated. Wait, I'll place the camera. I'll spin this. Okay. Dude, it's the Iron Man. There's an Iron Man logo. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and like and comment.